So just doing an update on the Potts Point project. So demolition is always a bit of a Pandora's box. Usually there are some nasty surprises when you start peeling back the covers, and this project was no exception. You can see that in the bathroom there was this big ugly hob around the shower, and the outcome of that, when that was removed, was it was concealing quite a large vent pipe that was above the floor level. So they just left it in the location and just put it into a hob, which looked hideous. So obviously our goals for our bathroom are that it's quite streamlined and there are very few compromises. There's always some compromises that you need to make, but that wasn't a compromise that we were willing to make. And so we hoped that it was an obsolete pipe, but it wasn't. And so in the end, we had to call up a variation and have that pipe lowered so that it no longer impacted the layout of the bathroom. So that's where your contingency is really important. It's in order to cover those nasty surprises so that you can complete your project and produce a good quality renovation.